On a calm morning, a little wanderer set out with no destination, only curiosity.
But fate had left something waiting for him. A feather unlike anything seen before. And when he touched it, it whispered a silent call for help. The feather belonged to a lost bird, somewhere deep within the forest.
So the little cat followed its light, becoming a guide for a friend he had never met.
And finally, the one who needed it appeared. The feather carried healing, a gift that returned hope to the fragile.
And so, one small act of kindness lifted a spirit back into the sky and changed another forever.